my pops need to wear this singlet. You go wear them, enter town, use them oppress people. They go to say the army.
Will you keep
My enter
quiet?
town first. They go wear them.
What type of plane
I
is
mean
this?
town. Hello?
Yes, is this Marvelous father?
Yes.
Your son was caught on an army uniform or an army singlet rather, parading himself around the town as an army. And you know that's an impersonation. But since he's just a young boy, we're going to forgive him, but we'll deal with him very well here before allowing him to go.
Okay. When I deal with him there, when he come home, I will still deal with him here also.
But sir, we'll beat him very well here. There'll not be need for you to beat him again.
That one no concern me. When I do now there, when he come home, I will still give him what he deserve here.
But we're up to 3. I mean 3 army that want to deal with him here.
Not even 3 when I be safe.
She what?
I say when I go reach like 5, I want to beat him there.
Shy.
But no wahala sha. When I do now there, when he come home, I go still beat him. But that one I reach 100, they want beat him. That one no concern me. When he reach house, I go still give him my own beating. When I do now there, thank you. Bye bye.
Hey, come. Your pan a military man or na commander for army before? Eh?
No, na disciplinary.
Oh, no wonder. He don't die.
Oh, na cloth una wear o. Ba mi cloth una wear o. But na mi cloth o. I wish to the back o. I mean the beat guy.
Don't die.
Sorry, you.
You never die yet. You're about to.
Photo.
You gonna explain tire. You go explain because no evidence.
Oh, no.